Hey guys, so today Apple has released some pretty cool stuff like new iPhones and stuff, and you do know that I do updates on iOS. So Apple also has released the GM edition here, the Gold Master edition of iOS 7. So iOS 7 GM comes with a bunch of different cool new things. So I thought that we can go over some of these things. And the first thing that they have is new ringtones. So let's have a look at these over here. They also have included the old ringtones here in a folder called Classic. So you still have your old ringtones. You can see here, you just go into sounds, and then you go down here to ringtone, and let's try to play them and just go over them here quick a little bit. You can hear that they like bell sounds. Oh, that was a nice one. Wow, that was a fresh one. And then of course we do have the old ones in here. You probably used it up one. and that one is also pretty many people use. So quickly look here at the ringtones that is new, and there's also a ton of other things that I want to do separate videos on. Of course I want to go over the iOS GM edition as well, a lot more in detail, so stay tuned for that.